Thinking about putting a car seat in a Uhaul truck? Delivery truck emoji, stop. This could seriously put your child in danger. It is generally not safe or recommended to put a car seat in a Uhaul truck. Uhaul advises against it because their trucks lack back seats and feature active, non-deactivatable airbags that can cause serious injury to children. The safest option is to transport children in a separate passenger vehicle. Here are some key safety considerations. No back seat. Uhaul trucks have bench seats, not rear seats, making them unsuitable for car seats. Airbag risk. Active passenger side airbags are dangerous for children and infants. Legal requirements. Many Uhaul trucks do not satisfy state laws requiring car seats in rear-facing or backseat positions. Alternatives. If you must move with a child, Uhaul recommends using a separate vehicle or a U-box container.